Hello, and welcome to another All About Doors and Windows feature presentation. Today, we are going to be talking about how to install and replace weather stripping within a window. Weather stripping becomes damaged over time, and if left unchanged, it can prevent your home from being as energy efficient as possible. All you need for this is a tape measure, your new weather strip, and a cutting tool. Before you begin, please consider that weather stripping comes in a variety of materials. The best type to use usually depends on the location, the condition of the window, and the size of the crack or crevice. In this demonstration, we are using curve style weather strip with a 1/4 inch foam-filled bulb. Step 1. Use a tape measure to measure your window sash from corner to corner and around any other areas you want to place the weather strip. Step 2. Remove the old weather strip and make sure the crack and crevice are clear of debris. You then should test the new weather stripping to see if it fits in the area around the window. A good idea is to purchase sections that are longer than necessary, so you have plenty if you need to trim it. Step 3. Install it and use your cutting tool to trim off any pieces of weather stripping if any areas are too long to fit properly. Step 4. Close your window and verify that your weather strip fits properly. Please remember all products shown are available on our online store. And of course, if you have any additional questions, please contact us at allaboutdoors.com.